Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, we have a kit for you. This is Old Glory. This is what it will look like. Mama Bear made it. It's stunning. Okay, so these are the kits right here. It's all the fabric, and there is the pattern for you. All right. The letters do use foundation paper piecing. Mom did it without. So it'd be a good intro to paper piecing, to foundation paper piecing, but you can figure out how to do it without if you're like, psh, don't want that, okay? But we also have the fabric. So that kit includes everything for the quilt top, the binding, and the pattern. Then we also have the line of fabric, Americana by Andover, that we used in the kit. So if you want to get this for a different project or you want to get a backing for it, you could do that. So I think it calls for 4 yards of backing of regular or 2 yards of a 108. All right, so you have all of that. Wait, am I going up front? Precuts. Okay, sorry, I couldn't remember.
And we can show them the 108s.
My bad, friends. Yes, I can show you the 108s. One of them's on the back of here. There you go, see? The little red stars. Okay, so we have some pre-cuts for you. These were actually the ones that was on the Sunday show a couple weeks ago, but it hasn't been on this yet. It's Honeyed Horizon. This is actually a new designer for Moda, so that's super fun. Look how pretty it is. It's like April Rosenthal, Sherry and Chelsea, and Corey Yoder had a fabric baby. And I gotta say, if you're gonna pick 3 designers, those are the ones to do it with. It's awesome. Okay, and then we have Quail Run. This is Kansas Trouble's new line. So we have the charms, the layer cakes, and the J-rolls. And this isn't really new, but I thought that the eyelet jelly roll, this is by Fig Tree & Co. We have her whole line of eyelet blenders. I thought that that's just really pretty. So you can do whatever you want with it, but it's really pretty. Okay, let me show you the 108s. Where are the 108s? On the other side? Yes, they are. We have this is the red star that was on the back of ours, and then there's the navy star as well. You need 2 yards of this 108 if you're gonna get that kit. All right, we will have a show this Sunday. It'll be Mama Bear and I. And so we have a question. You have to answer it in order to win one of the 2 giveaways on the show and be present on the show. The question is, we just drove down and we got In-N-Out Burger because there's finally one east of the Mississippi. And it's so good. But we want to know, what is your favorite burger joint? It does not have to be fast food. You could have an amazing burger at, I don't know, Ruth's Chris. Who knows? So tell us, what is your favorite burger place? And if you want, as a bonus question, maybe you'll get a second entry. I don't know, maybe we're whimsical and crazy. You can tell us all the things you get on your burger. Or if you're mom, it's meat and cheese only. Let us know. Okay. Happy quilting. Bye.